Hey there guys, how's it going? It's Morgan coming to you with another, this is going to be a really short video on installing main bearings into cases. So these are our cases from the YZ144 that we're building into a super duper rad woods weapon. And I need transmission bearings and a bunch of other stuff, but I've just ordered that. I thought it came with the complete bottom end kit. Look, complete bottom end kit. Does not come with transmission bearings. Only the wrench rabbit kit comes with that. So learning moment for me. Thought they were in there, but they're not. So that's okay. I do have main bearings. So I want to show you guys how we do this. What I think is a great way to do it without needing a whole bunch of tools. Like you see, our press over there is phenomenal. I like using it, but you don't have to use a press to put main bearings in. It is handy, but I want to show you guys, one of my goals here at Highland Cycles is to show you guys how to do this without a whole bunch of cool guy tools. So a few hours ago, I took the main bearings and I put them in the freezer back in the back of the shop. So they've been in there plenty of time to get really, really cold. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat these cases up with the blue wrench and get them really, 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 really hot. And then I'm going to take those cold bearings and I'm going to try to just drop them in there. And now they're probably going to take a little bit of persuasion with the hammer, but they shouldn't take much. And they'll go in there, they'll won't take a whole bunch of force. And then as they heat up, they'll stick in there. So let me go grab the torch and we'll get that thing heating up and then we'll grab the bearings. All right, we got our bearings. I'm going to heat that case up a little bit more. Go, got our hammer ready. Boom. Just like that, moving nice and smooth. Obviously, I don't want to touch those cases right now. They're real hot. Check them out from this end. There we go. Make sure it's all seated in there. It is. Looks good. Just like that, guys. In case you don't know why that works so well, when you heat things up, they expand. And when you have a hole like that, as you heat this case up, the hole grows a little bit. And when you cool things down, they shrink a little bit. So we got the bearings super duper cold, got the cases super hot. So the big open up, bearing goes in there. You just tap it a little bit with the hammer, goes right in. So hope that teaches you guys something. Hope you learned something. We'll talk to you guys with the next video.